Hello, how are you everyone? Hopefully you are fine. Mudah-mudahan kalian baik-baik saja. My name is Ihsan Hikmawan. You can call me Mr. Ihsan or Mr. I or Sir. Today, I'd like to explain to you guys about very important lesson for 10th graders. Saya sekarang akan menjelaskan kepada kalian tentang materi yang sangat amat penting khususnya buat kelas 10. What's that? That's expressions of intentions. Itu adalah ungkapan niat dalam bahasa Inggris. So before I explain you more about that, sebelum saya menjelaskan lebih lanjut tentang expressions of intentions, I'd like to give you the examples, the dialogue between two people. Saya akan berikan kalian contoh dialog antara dua orang about ungkapan niat dalam bahasa Inggris. So let's take a look.
Morning, buddy.
Oh, morning.
What would you like to do this weekend?
I have no idea. Maybe going to the cinema.
Whom you will go there with?
I don't know. I think with myself.
How about doing camping? I'm going to do camping with Ronnie, Andy, and Danny. Would you like to join us?
Oh, that sounds wonderful. We can have fresh air too. Okay, I'm going to talk my parents for permission first, and I'll join you there.
Cool. Give me the update tomorrow.
Sure.
Buddy,
Yes.
can you stop doing that, please?
Alright. What do you think about that dialogue? Menurut kalian gimana dialognya? Isn't that cool? Yes, that's why you have to practice your English. Praktekkan bahasa Inggris kalian. Anyway, I have a questions for you. What are they talking about in the dialogue? Mereka ngomongin apa? You're right. They are talking about their intentions. Mereka ngomongin tentang niat mereka for what? Doing camping. Yes, you're right. Probably you have a big questions in your mind, the difference between intentions and planning. Mungkin kalian ada pertanyaan di benak kalian, apa sih perbedaan antara intentions and planning? You know, the difference between them, perbedaan antara keduanya itu that's only the words, intentions and planning. Hanya katanya aja yang berbeda. That's no difference between them. You know, ketika kita berniat, artinya kita merencanakan untuk melakukannya. Niat artinya rencana, dan rencana artinya kita berniat untuk melakukannya. Now, let's take a look back to the dialogue. Sekarang kita lihat dialog yang tadi. Number 1.
Morning, buddy.
Oh, morning.
What would you like to do this weekend?
I have no idea. Maybe going to the cinema. What can you hear from that dialogue? Expressions of intentions. Apa yang kamu dengar dari dialog itu tentang ungkapan niat? Yes, you're right. What would you like to do this weekend? Yang kedua.
Whom you will go there with?
I don't know. I think with myself.
How about doing camping? I'm going to do camping with Ronnie, Andy, and Danny. Would you like to join us?
Oh, that sounds wonderful. What can you hear from that dialogue about expressions of intentions? Apa yang kamu dengar di dialog itu tentang ungkapan niat? Yes, you're right. I'm going to do camping. Next. Oh, that sounds wonderful. We can have fresh air too. Okay, I'm going to talk my parents for permission first, and I'll join you there.
Cool. Give me the update tomorrow.
Sure. What can you hear from that dialogue? You're right. I'm going to ask my parents for permissions first. And I'll join you then. Nah, itu tadi beberapa contoh tentang expressions of intentions yang kita bisa pakai dalam bahasa Inggris. Oke? Nah, sekarang I will explain you more about that. Saya akan menjelaskan lebih lanjut. Tapi sebelum ke sana, so please prepare your eyes, your ears, your book, your pen, your pencil or eraser, anything that can support you to understand. Apapun yang bisa buat kalian mengerti tentang ekspresi itu. Oke, sekarang siap-siap, be ready. I'm going to explain you more, one by one, tentang ungkapan intentions yang kita bisa pakai dalam bahasa Inggris. Number one, we can use would like to plus bare infinitive atau yang lebih kita kenal verb 1, verb 1. Contoh, asking for someone intentions. Would you like to join us? And you tell your intentions. I'd like to. The second examples. What would you like to do this weekend? I'd like to go to the party this weekend. Those are examples using would like to. Itu contoh asking and telling or giving your intentions. Dalam bahasa Inggris menggunakan would like to. Ingat, would like to plus bare infinitive or verb ke-1. Second patterns yang kedua yang kita bisa pakai setelah would like to plus bare infinitive atau verb ke-1 adalah be going to plus bare infinitive juga atau verb ke-1. Contohnya, asking for someone intentions, menanyakan niat seseorang atau planning seseorang. Are you going to go to the cinema? You tell your intentions. Yes, I am. Second example. What are you going to eat in the restaurant? I'm going to eat martabak in the restaurant. Okay, those are examples using be going to plus bare infinitive atau verb ke-1. The next patterns yang selanjutnya yang kita bisa pakai adalah menggunakan will plus bare infinitive atau verb ke-1 juga. Contohnya, asking for someone's intentions. Will you go to the beach? Yes, I will. Next example. What will you buy? I will buy backpack. The next patterns yang kita bisa pakai untuk mengungkapkan intentions atau niat dalam bahasa Inggris adalah menggunakan want to. Want to plus bare infinitive atau verb ke-1. Contohnya, asking for someone intentions. Do you want to go to the party? No, I don't. The second examples. Where do you want to visit this holiday? You can answer, I want to visit my grandparents' house. Tambahan nih buat kalian, for your informations. Orang-orang biasanya bilang gonna, wanna, or I'd like to. Gonna artinya going to, wanna artinya want to, I'd like to means I would like to. So you can use gonna, wanna, or I'd like to supaya bahasa Inggris kalian terdengar atau terlihat natural. So, you understand guys about my explanations about the expressions of intentions? Kalian ngerti sekarang penjelasannya? Pasti ngerti. But to strengthen your understanding about that, untuk memperkuat pemahaman kalian, I'm going to give you two kinds of exercises. Satu, kalian cari salahnya mana, or you find out the incorrect one, terus please correct it. Yang kedua, you just respond. Someone's asking intentions. Okay? Ready? Just checking, remember, just checking and correct it. What would you like to having for breakfast this morning? Oke, kira-kira yang mana? Yes, you're right. To having. Harusnya to have. Remember, would you like to plus bare infinitive atau verb 1. And now, the second kind of exercise. You just respond, okay? Yes, I will. Atau of course. Atau sure. Atau apapun. Surely, obviously apapun. Okay, now You obviously already understood about these expressions. Kalian benar-benar udah ngerti tentang ekspresi ini. Jangan lupa praktekkan dengan siapapun. Okay? And my last advice for you, for all of you, is keep practicing your English because practice makes perfect. You gotta be cooler. Okay? Don't care about someone who blame you. Your English is bad or not. Keep practicing. Yeah. See you next time.